And if you're new to my channel, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Welcome to Vlogmas Day 3 guys. I hope you have watched Vlogmas Day 2 guys. I've given a simple subtle makeup look for Christmas and hope you enjoyed that video. So today is Vlogmas Day 3 guys. I'm super excited again because today we are going to see how to do your Christmas nails at home. I'm very excited to do this video guys because I'll be giving you a step-by-step tutorial on how to do the Christmas nails at home. So without any further ado, let's get into the video guys. Okay guys, first I'll tell you what all you need to do your Christmas nails at home. Nail polish remover wipes or like liquid, whatever you have at home guys, because I already have like black nail polish which I'll have to like remove. And then these are the colors you'll need guys. A green nail polish, a red nail polish, a glitter nail polish. Now this is optional guys. If you have like a blue nail polish, that will also be good. Maybe if you want, you can use it. Christmas nail look is all about whatever colors you have. Majorly if green and red you have, that will also do guys. Okay, for step 1, let's remove the existing nail paint guys. So this is from Inside Cosmetics and they have like many wipes inside. So I'm just gonna take one of them and then I'm gonna remove the nail paint that I have. I like this one than the normal cotton and liquid that you use because this is more easier. You just have to take a wipe and apply it and it will come off very clean. Look at that guys. So you can just go one more round. So see guys, in minutes it's almost clean. Now for this hand, I'm gonna take another wipe guys. One more thing I've noticed guys, these wipes are comparatively less drying on the nails than the liquid that you use, right? So I prefer these wipes mostly. Okay guys, look at that. All the nail polish has come out on the wipe. Now next step guys, like this only we can't start applying the nail polish because if you see your hands are not that clean now, it needs to be washed. There is like nail polish remover spread everywhere and sometimes what I notice is that while removing the nail paint, it goes inside the nail as well. So you have to wash your hands very thoroughly with a mild cleanser guys. Now look at that guys, I've washed my hands thoroughly and it looks so clean now. But still guys, before applying the nail polish, there is one more step we have to do guys. You have to take any body lotion or even hand cream will do and you have to apply it nicely so that it looks hydrated guys. So I'm gonna use the Bath & Body Works Into the Night body lotion and apply it nicely in my hands guys. Look at that guys, after applying the body lotion, it looks so soft and nice guys. Now all these steps we are doing because we are not going to the salon and getting manicure done guys. So basic steps we are doing at home so that it gives like a more clean and nice finish guys. Okay guys, so now it is time to play around guys. First I'm taking the green nail paint and applying it on my thumbnail guys. Also whatever I'm doing in this side, I'm also doing the same in this side as well guys. But you can switch it up if you want to guys. First just apply one coat and I know it is very light but we'll wait and then apply the second coat guys. Now the same green nail paint we'll also apply in this finger guys. So this is how it looks guys. Okay, so the red nail paint guys, I'm gonna apply in this finger and the last finger. Now in this nail guys, we'll add this blue nail polish. If you have white nail polish, that will also look very good guys. And if you're applying blue guys, don't go for a very dark shade. Something like a lighter shade like an ice cold blue is what will look good guys. This is how the first coat looks guys. It already looks so beautiful. But now we'll wait for this to dry for some time guys. Okay guys, I'll tell you why this Christmas nails tutorial will be very helpful guys. Because first is time guys. Not everyone has so much time to go to the salon, wait and get your nails done and come back. So if you have like 3 to 4 Christmas colors, that will be enough guys, and you can do it easily at home. Second one is price guys. Not everyone can spend thousands and thousands in a salon to get their Christmas nails done guys. It is very expensive actually. And if it is just a few days Christmas event guys, you can beautifully do it at home itself guys. You don't need to go to the salon guys. Again, going to the salon and doing is an entire process guys. And to remove those nails, again you'll have to go back to the salon guys. So it is too much work and too much time. Third point is being fun and creative guys. At home you can do however you want, whatever colors you want you can choose. It is so much fun to do it yourself guys. Last point is for people like me guys, people who do not like to get their nails done in a salon. I am so scared of getting my nails done in a salon guys, because they'll scrape the nails and then adding the fake nail and then putting a coat. I am just so scared of the entire process. I have never done my nails in a salon actually guys. I have always done at home and I loved it, and I can reapply the coat, not a problem, but then I have never gone to a salon and done my nails guys. Someday maybe I'll want to try guys, I'm not very sure, but for now I'm very happy doing it at home guys. Okay guys, while we were talking we can see that the first coat has kind of like dried off. Now it is time to apply the second coat guys. You have to follow the same colors. In your right hand with your left hand, if it is difficult to apply guys, you can ask someone for help, or else sometimes it's not that difficult guys. Once you keep trying, it will automatically come very easily for you. Also guys, while applying, if there is spillage in the side, you can take the tip of this nail and drag it like this and it will easily come off. Or else you can also take a Q-tip immediately and run it through the side and it will come off. Or else if you forgot and it has dried off, you can take a Q-tip and dip it in your nail polish remover and then remove it in the side carefully. That will also do guys. Okay guys, second coat is applied. It already looks so pretty and so Christmassy guys. Now we'll wait for some time, and after it dries I'll meet you guys. Okay guys, I'm back now. Second coat also has dried very well now. Now moving on to the next step guys. Now it is time to play around guys. You can do whatever you wish. We are going to take the glitter nail polish and apply guys now. Okay guys, I hope you can see I have applied the glitter nail paint in red here, and in this hand I have applied it on green. Very less I have applied guys, but it still looks so good guys. Okay guys, for the next step guys, if you have like a very sharp brush, example like this, then it is very good guys, so that you can make the nails even more fun guys. But if you don't have, either you can leave it at this, or with the nail paint brush itself you can do more designs guys, not a problem. Okay guys, I'm taking the green nail paint, and on the blue nail paint I'm drawing 2 lines guys. Okay guys, I did 1 green line and 1 red line on the blue in both the hands guys. It kind of got a little messy to draw the lines guys, I will not lie, but then it still looks so beautiful guys. Look at that. Okay guys, now I'll show a close-up of how our Christmas nails look guys. Okay guys, this is the final result of our Christmas nails at home guys. Look at that guys, we just used 3 to 4 nail polish and got such a beautiful result. Okay guys, I really hope you like this how to do your Christmas nails at home tutorial guys. If you really like this video, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe guys. You can also follow me on Instagram at indukrish_ guys. With that, I'll see you in Vlogmas Day 4 guys. Bye.